Hello everyone, welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change email settings in Google Forms step by step. Let's get started. In the search bar, type forms.google.com and make sure that you're already signed in. Once the page loads, you will see different options on the Google Forms homepage. You can click on a blank form to create a new quiz or survey. For this tutorial, I will use an existing form since we are focusing only on changing email settings. At the top of the form, click on Settings, then scroll down until you see the Responses section. Open the drop-down menu and look for the option called Collect Email Addresses. Change this setting to Do Not Collect. Below that, you will see another option called Limit to One Response. Turn this on so users cannot submit multiple responses. That's it. This is how you can change email settings in Google Forms. If this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.